So as you guys know, my brother, he's in the... How are you guys in there? Daniel and Jake are both in the closet right now. I don't know how they fit. He actually started playing basketball because of me, and I wanted to put him back in his place. I'm the dominant basketball player. He started playing basketball because I was just so good, and he wanted to be me. And, you know, now I gotta show him what's up, who should really be on the basketball team. He's gonna be the team manager from now on. So basically what that means is me and Jake are gonna be doing a 1v1, and if I lose, I have to go bald, which apparently a lot of people want me to go bald. And if Jake loses, he's gonna have to eat the bomb sauce. Let's get in this video. Alright, so me and him, 1v1, only 1 point per shot. How do you say that?
Only ones, up to 7. After every possession, you go behind the last line.
We're gonna shoot and see who gets the ball first. Oh, get it in. Woo! I'm already tired.
1-0.
Oh, that tricked me.
Oh. Foul. Foul. You get that in?
1-0.
1-0. In your face! Alright, 1-1. The ball. Why are you playing so rough? Oh.
Get good, kid.
Ow!
Alright, 2-1, Lucas.
That was the point?
Yes.
I'm getting water.
I did. It happened again.
Oh. Stop! I'm behind you. Look, I just... It's like... Oh! bro. 5'6". I've been perfecting my form for years.
I've been perfecting your mom.
We have the same mom, Jake. You got some mad smack talk, son. But not as mad as my shot.
Broke boy. Cuz?
You suck even more, cuh.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. Oh no, he's gonna break my ankles.
As gets Brian Russell with a quick crossover. Look at Brian Russell slips. And Michael pulls up and buries the shot to give him a 1-point lead.
That may have been. Who knows what will unfold in the next several months. But that may have been the last shot Michael Jordan will ever take in the NBA.
Yes,
Why do you suck so much?
I don't suck. If you think I suck, I'll 1v1 you, just like I 1v1 him, and I'll beat you.
Jake, did you win? Or did Lucas win?
What?
What? Lucas,
Yes?
what's going to happen now that you lost?
Well, the bet was that I would cut off my hair, like him, so I'm going bald now.
So guys, it's the next day, and I'm going to be shaving my head today, so let's go to the bathroom.
Alright guys, this is it. Done. Ah!